Hello there, fancy seeing you here. I know I'm not a bank manager, but I know I look like one. This is a fantastic BMW 3 Series, which really will make you look the part. Look how beautiful it is. It's been very well looked after. It's on a 61 place. It's got just over 100,000 miles. And in this video, I'm going to show you all around it so you can see what to expect when you come here to the brilliant, clever car collection to give it a test drive. Let's take a look. Right, this is our BMW 3 Series. It's the 318, so it's got the 2-litre petrol engine, 6-speed manual gearbox, and fuel economy on the combined cycle of 45 miles per gallon. It's got 141 brake horsepower, comes with 2 keys, remote central lock-in, and it's insurance group 22E. Now it is Ulez compliant. It's got a beautiful Oyster leather interior. It's a really nice specification, this, and you can see we've cleaned this car up with our Autoglym products. We've hand polished it and it looks absolutely beautiful. There's a couple of very minor marks on it, which I'm going to show you in this video as I walk around it, but it will come with a 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty as standard, and you can upgrade that to a 12-month one with our partners warranty-wise if you so wish. It will come with a new 12-month MOT, and it has just been serviced by our fantastically talented, brilliant mechanic who happens to be here. He's just done that, ready for you to drive it away. Right, let's have a little look. Any marks on here that I can point out? A couple of minor stone chips on the bonnet. They don't really stand out, but I want to show you nonetheless. Front bumper, all looking good. Beautiful headlights. I love the style of this 3 Series. Really, really nice looking car. Coming down the driver's side, this alloy wheel, 17-inch alloys, all looking good. Plenty of tread on that tyre. It's the 5-door model, as you can see. None of that blacked out rear windows, just beautiful crystal clear glass, so you can see Prince Charles sat in the back. Walking down this side, no marks on this alloy wheel, looking good. Is obviously a saloon. So you've got the nice rear with parking sensors here, and it is a very decent sized boot, this, with a boot protector in place. As I say, been very well looked after by its previous owners, this car. Coming down the passenger side, this alloy wheel, beautiful condition. I'll just show you in the back. Plenty of space in here, and that's that wonderful Oyster coloured leather interior. You've got a centre armrest there, 3 seat belts, so 3 seats, and ISOFIX points on both of those outside ones. A minor door dent there on the passenger side door, and then coming down this side, this alloy wheel also looking good. No marks on the windscreen, no chips sticking out. Saying that, there's a very, very minor one there, but to be honest with you, it didn't really even catch my eye. And then the roof, all looking good. So that's the outside. Let's jump in. Right, I've got one of the keys here. The other one is stored safely with the documents. Right, I'm just going to jump inside and start her up. There's a start button just here. Foot on the clutch for that. Put the key in the slot. Press the start button. So there we go, all running. So in terms of interior, we've got electric windows all round. Headlight switches are just there. Got a multifunction steering wheel here with stereo controls. 102,103 miles. See, no warning lights, just handbrake and me not wearing a seatbelt. AM, FM radio here, and also the previous owners put in place this really quite smart touchscreen. You've got CarPlay here, so you can connect to your phone to make that work, and obviously gives you all the benefits of CarPlay. It's all been plugged in, so it works through the speakers and works fantastically well. We've actually got the original box for that, so we can show you how that works. You've got air conditioning. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox, and a CD player there. So yeah, a really smart car inside. So you can see, yeah, the interior looks lovely considering the age. Zoom out slightly. Very, very nice car. Right, let's have a look at the history. Right, history-wise, I've made a few notes about this car. So it has just had that service from our very talented mechanic. It will be very shortly going for a new 12-month MOT, which will be delivered as part of this car. So that'll be going this afternoon, actually. We'll be dropping it off. And in terms of previous services, it's been looked at in 2014, 15, 16, 19, 22 and 23. Twice in 23, actually, in March and November, where I had services. And again, obviously, in June 2025 by us. It's covered just over 102,000 miles, as I've just shown you. First registered in October 2011. Well, I hope you like this car. I think it's absolutely fantastic. I forget how beautiful 3 Series are, and in this black, it looks absolutely stunning. We offer nationwide delivery, so if you're interested in that, please get in touch with us for a quote, and we'll show you how much it will cost you to get this car dropped off to your door. While you're online, please check out our reviews on Auto Trader and Google. We're incredibly proud of being a 5-star dealer here at the Clever Car Collection. That starts with giving people like you fantastic service. So I very much look forward to giving you that treatment when you come here to give this car a test drive. If you want to do that, I'm James. It's james@clevercarcollection.com. That's my email address. And you can see plenty of pictures of this car on our website. It's clevercarcollection.com. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you very soon. All the best. Bye-bye.